In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom layout for mobile in Squarespace. Change Squarespace on mobile only. If your site looks great on desktop but feels cramped or awkward on a phone, this walkthrough will show you the exact places in Squarespace where you can tune the mobile experience. We'll work inside the editor's design controls, focusing on the header and section layout options that most directly affect how your pages feel on a small screen. Start by opening your site from the Squarespace dashboard. Click your site title to enter the editor, then open the controls to personalize your site header and logo. Depending on your template, you may see this option more than once as you drill down. If you're prompted again, click it to fully expand the mobile-related settings. When the editor highlights areas on the page, click the highlighted header or section so Squarespace knows exactly what you want to style. Next, open Background. Here you can choose a color, image, or overlay that's optimized for mobile. Aim for strong contrast so navigation and text stay readable, and avoid heavy images that slow down page load on cellular connections. Go to Colors to apply your site's color theme to the selected area. If you're switching palettes, preview on a real phone to confirm links and icons still pass basic contrast checks. Open Design to access the layout controls. Adjust row count to define how many items stack in the selected block on mobile. Use fewer rows for a cleaner, scannable layout. Use Gap to control spacing between items. A touch more breathing room improves tappability without pushing content too far down the page. Toggle Fill Screen. If you want the section to occupy the full device height, which works nicely for a hero area or a single focused message. If the section feels too tall, turn Fill Screen off and fine-tune with height until the content fits naturally. Set alignment to position your content left, center, or right. Centered layouts often feel balanced on mobile, while left-aligned text can be easier to read for longer sections. Open Divider to add or adjust a separator between sections, helping users understand where one block ends and the next begins. When everything looks right, click Save. Remember that some style changes affect all devices, so take a quick look at both mobile and desktop previews before you finish. That's it. Your Squarespace mobile layout is now tailored for clarity, speed, and a better